Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Ten Best Metal Cutting Bandsaw New Model 2022. We are going to check out top 10 best metal cutting bandsaw in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this metal cutting bandsaw, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Kaka Industrial Metal Cutting Bandsaw. Solid Design Metal Bandsaw, Horizontal Bandsaw, High Precision Metal Bandsaw, Build-in Safety Settings, Space Saver Metal Cutting Bandsaw, BS 912B. Miter cuts to 45 day using calibrated vise. Built-in coolant system on both blade guides with flow control valve for maximum cutting efficiency. Automatic electric cutout switch stops machine when cut is complete. Lift gate service will have extra charges and can be requested for you at a discounted rate. Please send us a message stating you need the service. A valid phone number is required. The carrier will contact you 1 day before the delivery. Please provide a valid phone number.
Top 9.
Grizzly Industrial G0561 X12 1 HP Metal Cutting Bandsaw. Blade size 3/4x.03x93. Blade speeds 80, 130, 180, 235 FPM. Hydraulic feed control. Motor 1 HP. 110V/220V, single phase, pre-wired 110V.
Top 8.
Eastwood Benchtop Metal Aluminum Cutting Bandsaw. Electric Portable Benchtop Steel. This Eastwood Benchtop bandsaw is a must for cutting tubing easily and accurately when fabricating. Make perfect miter cuts from 90 degrees to 45 degrees. Motor voltage 120 VAC. Throat capacity 3.25 in. 85 mm. Width capacity 4.5 in. 115 mm. Blade speed 100, 260 ft/min, 3080 m/min. Fast, accurate cuts in a variety of materials. Powerful, variable speed 1000 watt motor. Pistol grip handle and speed control trigger.
Top 7.
Prowlin Max 4x6 Horizontal Vertical Metal Cutting Bandsaw. Motor 3/4 HP 4.8A at 1700 RPM. 120 volt at 60 HZ. Special design for horizontal and vertical use. Offers 3 speeds for cutting. Cuts metal, plastic, wood, and other materials. Includes scale for mitering vise. Low noise operation. Cutting capacity 4.5 round 4x6 rectangular. Phase 1. Pawls 4. Blades 12x.025x64.5. Blade wheels 7-38 high-strength flanged cast iron.
Top 6.
Eastwood Horizontal Vertical Bandsaw Metal Cutting Bandsaw Rectangular Portable. This versatile bandsaw has the capability to be operated in both a horizontal and vertical position while cutting tubing up to 4.5 in diameter. Powerful 1 HP motor. Cuts up to 4x6 inch thick rectangle. Cuts up to 4-12 inches round. Make angled cuts from 0 to 55 degrees. Input voltage 120 VAC, 60 HC. Input amperage 6.5A. Plug type 3-prong. Cord length 6 in 6 in. Certification CSA. Blade size 64.5 in. X.5 in. X.025 in. 14 TPI. Maximum cutting angle 55 degrees.
Top 5.
Grizzly Industrial G9742 5x6 1/2 HP Metal Cutting Bandsaw W/swivel head. Blade size 64-1/2 x 1/2 max. Capacity circular at 0 degrees 5 max. Capacity rectangular at 0 degrees 5x6. Motor 1/2 HP 110V/220V 60 HC 1,720 RPM shipping weight approx. 176 pounds.
Top 4.
Anbull portable bandsaw with removable alloy steel base. 45 deg, 90 deg metal cutting, 10A 1100W motor. 5-inch deep cut with .025 by 447/8-inch 14 TPI saw blade and LED spotlight. 1100W powerful pure copper motor. Industry best 10 amp motor designed with controlled power to withstand any job site application. Cutting steel will not produce sparks, no burrs, and the cut incision is smooth with no burns. Fits for cutting metal, steel, aluminum, composite cables, angle iron, PVC pipe, and so on. The cutting capacity. Without base, 5x4-3/4 in. Deep cut capacity for rectangular stock, 5 in. Capacity for round stock, with base, 4x3-1/5 in. Deep cut capacity for rectangular stock, 4 in. Capacity for round stock. Variable speed dial, 100-350 feet per minute. For specific materials and various applications.
Top 3.
Rican 15-400 horizontal and vertical 4x6 metal cutting bandsaw with powerful 3/4 HP motor, built-in Vise clamps, and 3 blade speeds, 80, 120, and 180 FPM. Powerful 3/4 HP motor. Cuts forward x6 square and 4-1/2 round stock. Built-in Vise clamps 0-45 deg. Auto-off safety paddle switch can be used as a horizontal bandsaw.
Top 2.
Kaka industrial mini metal cutting bandsaw, variable speed bandsaw, BS 150. Our portable bandsaw features an aluminum casting structure, lightweight and stability. Our portable bandsaw has the advantage of stepless speed regulation.
Top 1.
Grizzly Industrial G9742 5x6 12 HP metal cutting bandsaw W/swivel head. Blade size 6412x12 max. Capacity circular at 0 degrees 5 max. Capacity rectangular at 0 degrees 5x6. Motor 12 HP 110 V/220 V, 60 HZ, 1,720 RPM, shipping weight approx. 176 pounds. This video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.